family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a nail drill review. So if you're interested to see my thoughts on this kind of newish nail drill, then just keep on watching. Okay, so before we get into the nail drill portion of this video, I do want to say I was waiting for this package with the nail drill along with another package, but I won't speak about that. I'll speak about it in another video, but these two packages were the main focus for today. So I got this from Influencer. I basically won one of their Vox boxes, and this one is from Love Beauty and Planet. And basically it is vitamins. Okay, so I opened the box and this is what it looks like. It comes with a cute little card. It says Love Beauty and Planet. Love Beauty and Planet started with one goal: to make you feel beautiful and give a little love to our planet. You guys can read that if you want. On the back it says the Citrus Crush Vegan Hair and Skin Dietary Supplement. Savor our Citrus Crush flavored gummy to start your day. Our gummies are infused with vitamin E, C, and vitamin A to help promote radiant, healthy hair and glowy skin. This citrusy gummy vitamin vegan hair and skin dietary supplement is certified cruelty-free, and each of our gummies are also gluten-free, contain natural flavors, and are made without artificial sweeteners. How to use it: keep our hearts in a cool, dry place out of sunlight. Take 2 a day for shiny hair and glowy skin. Color of supplements may change over time, but are still safe and effective. Not sure how I feel about that. I feel like if my vitamins are changing colors, that's a little bit weird. So this is what the bottle looks like. It comes with 60 gummies. And again, the flavor is Citrus Crush. This is supposed to leave your hair radiant and give you glowy skin. I'm kind of happy that I got this because I've really been wanting to get into vitamins, and I think this is the perfect way to start. And I believe you can get this at your local drugstore like Target or maybe Walmart. I definitely know Target because I have seen this brand when I'm unloading stuff. I haven't seen exactly what it is, but I have seen the Love Beauty and Planet brand. So I'm definitely going to say Target has this brand. So today will be my first day starting this, and I will try to give you guys an update, especially from today all the way till the 60-day count. So I will be taking one of those after this video. Okay, so here is the nail drill. They put the sticker right over the freaking picture, so I can't show you the picture, but this is the size of the box. It almost fits in my hand, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna read what it says on the back. There's a lock and unlock feature. It's a portable and lightweight drill. There's a brush motor, long lifespan, energy saving and high efficiency, precise locking, chuck and easy bit change, high torque, 30,000 RPM max speed, low noise and low heat, ideal for home and professional use, 1-year warranty, excellent after sales service. So that's what it says all back here. It says professional nail care right here. There's some product specifications if you want to stop and read that, and it also has the same thing on this side. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so I opened the box. This is what it looks like. So there's a little card in here that says money back guarantee 100% with their email, and then it says Ecbasket, register 1-year warranty. I guess this is how you would register it. Throw that to the side. And again, I think this is to help you with the 1-year warranty. It says professional nail drill. I'm assuming this is like the user manual. Yes, that is what that is. Oh my god, it came with sanding bits. I needed those badly. Okay, so it came with a whole bunch of sanding bits, or bands. So it also comes with this, but there's only one thing in here. Like, there's the thing that holds the sanding bits. I feel like they're missing some. Oh, they must have fell out the package. I see them inside. Yeah, this is what it looks like after you take all that stuff out. It has the foot pedal. I'm pretty sure this is the handpiece, and this is the actual drill thing. So we're gonna take the actual drill thing out first. Nicely packaged. Oh my god, this looks so professional and sleek. Like, how nice is that? It's all white. It has like a little turning thing. It has an on and off button right here, and then the forward reverse button. And I'm pretty sure this is where you plug the motor in, which is the handpiece, if I'm not mistaken. The foot pedal gets plugged in here, and I'm pretty sure this is where you plug this into like the input in the wall. And here you have some little holes to put the drill bits in, and then this is for the actual handpiece. Like, how freaking cute is that? And it kind of is like really cute and small, not too small but not too oversized where it takes up a whole bunch of space on your desk or, you know, nail space area. So I'm super excited. Super excited. Okay, so here's the foot pedal. I'm not into the whole foot pedal thing, you know, so maybe I'll try that. Who knows? Here is the charger. It comes nicely wrapped, and as you can see, like, there's a whole bunch of stuff moving around in there. That's the stuff that's supposed to be in here. So I'm going to take that out real quick and put it back in. Okay, so I got everything out from the box, and it has all the pieces and the extra little sanding bands that come with it. I'm really happy that they came with a whole bag of sanding bands though, because I've literally been using the same one on myself for like the past month. And then in this little box right here is the handpiece. Has some nice weight to it, so I'm not really sure if that's a good or bad thing. The drill that I have now, the handpiece is pretty light, so it comes bubble wrapped. This is the wire, and this is the actual handpiece. How freaking cute! Like, this fits really nice in the hand. It has some nice little lines here that give it some type of nice little grip. It's not too like slippery. It comes with that bar to keep it, you know, tight when there's not an actual drill bit in there. So I like that. Also it has like a picture of the lock, like the lock and unlock, you know, direction, which I like because on my current hand drill, I always twist it the wrong way. And you think for having it for like a whole year now, I would know which way to turn it, but I don't. Yeah, this seems pretty cool. So let's get into demoing it. Okay, so here is the drill bit. I have it plugged in. So it stands like this, and then the on and off button, you just press it and then it turns on. Little red light there. And then this is the forward reverse button. So what I'm going to do is plug in the handpiece, and you just plug it in on this side. Like so. And then I'm going to turn it back on. Okay, so it is plugged in, it is working. So I'm going to take this little thing out. And like I was saying before, it has the little picture of the lock. And this is like the little arrow that would show you that it's on the lock. And when you turn it this way, it's unlocked. So we're going to take this one out, put this little one in. I mean, I'm too lazy to go get my other one, so that's why I'm using this one that came with it. And what we're going to be drilling is this little press-on nail here. I did throw some poly gel over it to give it some thickness, so we're not just filing on plastic. So let's get right into it. But before we start drilling, let's see how loud this thing is. So we are on 0 right now. We're going to go all the way up to 30,000, and we are in forward. Okay, so right now we're on 3,000. Doesn't sound that loud. Right, 5,000. 10,000. Okay, I'm not going all the way up to 30,000. I feel like I told you guys about this. I'm like super paranoid with like machines and stuff. I feel like they're gonna blow up if you put them too high. But we went up to 15,000, and I think that's the highest I would probably even use this drill at, because it is pretty fast. At least it sounds fast. There's not vibration. Like, it's not moving vibration, but you do like feel it, if that makes sense. It's not going to affect your like drilling. I think we won't know until I test it out on the press-on nail. Is it loud? I want to say it is a bit louder than the drill I'm currently using, but is it annoyingly loud? No, it is manageable. I'm not sure if you go any higher how much louder it will get, but I personally can deal with it. I don't mind, and I normally have music playing for my clients anyways. So let's turn this bad boy on and start to play with this nail. I just cured it, so I need to wipe it off real quick. So I'm gonna grab some Bounty, spray some alcohol on it, and then wipe the nail off because it does have that sticky layer. Oh, also, before I start to drill, I do want to see how well the things stick in them, because my drill now has it, but they wiggle a bit. So let's just see if this will... these still wiggle, but they are much deeper than the one on my current drill bit, or on my current drill machine, so I like that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now let's get into drilling an actual nail. So we're gonna push this over here to the side and make this the main focus. So we're gonna start off at 5,000, and this is in forward. Let me zoom these guys in a bit more. So it is doing a really nice job at drilling. It is a bit loud. I'm not sure if this is because it's on like this little metal thing. I'm not sure if it's gonna sound loud when I use it on an actual acrylic nail. But again, it's manageable, and I also put music on for my clients so they're more comfortable. So this is just on 5,000 and it's doing a good job. Like, I'm super impressed. This feels really, really nice in the hand, I will say that. Like, my other one is a bit too big. I mean, it is still comfortable in the hand, but if I had to pick between the two hand pieces, I would definitely pick this one. It's just a bit smaller and more comfortable to hold. Alright, so there's still a little unevenness there, if you can see. So I'm gonna bump this into 10,000, or actually we're on 3,000. So I'm gonna bump this into 5,000 and see if we can fix that. I just found some of my nail off. Alright, so in 5,000, this is going pretty fast. Alright, so I don't feel like I need to test this any further. I think I already know how I feel about it. I really do like it. It did take care of that unevenness on the nail. It is pretty fast. There is no vibration in the actual hand when holding the handpiece. It does feel pretty lightweight, super comfortable in the hand. It fits really comfortably. It's like I'm holding a pen. So I do really, really enjoy the size of this handpiece. The nail feels pretty soft. I'm debating on whether I want to drill my nail because as you can see, the tip of this one, my pointer, the thumb, and my pinky have came off. So, I mean, I could try it, but I don't want to because I think this is an easy fix. So I'm not going to drill on my nails today, but I will use this on my next client and keep you guys updated in the description bar. Okay, so overall, I really do enjoy it, and I didn't get to show you guys like how the drill bit goes in there. I really love that. I hate that little black stand that comes with my other one. I never use it. I just place my drill bit on the table, which is a pain, but this is much more convenient because I could just stick it in here when I need to switch over to something else like filing, and if I need to come back to it, I can just pull it out. Very sleek and lightweight. It's not heavy at all. The handpiece, really comfortable, really lightweight as well. I can honestly say I think this is going to be my preferred drill that I use. Now I can leave one in my nail room and one in my like office area because I like to do my nails at my computer watching videos. So I'm definitely going to keep this one in here, but when I do get my next client, I will put this one in my nail room so I can try this out on them, and I will definitely keep you guys posted. This is from the brand Ecbasket or Ecbasket. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but I will leave a link down below where I got it. This retails for $49.99 on Amazon, and there is Prime shipping available. If you are a Prime member, you can get it in 2 days. And I want to say this is a dupe for the Melody Susie nail drill that looks like this. You can also stand that drill in the actual like machine, which is pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure this might be a little bit more affordable. I'm not sure, don't quote me on it. I will try to leave like the prices on the screen somewhere. So yeah, that is everything on this drill bit. So let's move on to the outro. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this drill bit, drop them down below and I will be sure to answer any questions that you guys have. Or if you just want to say, hey girl, hey, feel free to drop that down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family, whether you're into makeup or nails. I do a little bit of everything here. Literally a little bit of everything. I do clean with me vlogs, nail swatches, makeup tutorials, reviews, first impressions, you name it. And if you want something specific, drop it down below, request it. I will do it happily. So yeah, also this is my current set, so yeah, very festive I think with the red. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.